Welcome to our lesson on understanding the difference between point of view and perspective in storytelling. Point of view is the technical method used to tell a story. Essentially, it is who is narrating. So let's break down the different types of point of view. First person point of view. I walked into the room and saw my friends. First person point of view uses pronouns and words like I, me, my, mine, we, us, our, or ours. Let's explore the first person point of view in more detail. There could be a single narrator. Here's an example of that. I couldn't believe what I was seeing in the mirror. Or there could be a group narrator. Listen to this example. We all stood together watching the sunset. Now I'm going to discuss some key characteristics for first-person point of view. There is direct personal experience. It is limited to the narrator's knowledge. It shows internal thoughts, and it creates an immediate connection with the reader. Now we'll move on to second-person point of view. I'll start with an example. You walk into the room and see your friends. Second person uses words like you, your, yours, or yourself. Now, here are some common uses. It is often used for instructions. For example, you turn right at the corner, then walk 3 blocks. It is also used in interactive fiction. An example of that would be, you find yourself standing at the edge of a forest. Other applications include choose your own adventure books, technical documentation, recipe instructions, and self-help books. Now we move on to the third person point of view. Let's start with an example. Maria walked into the classroom and saw her homework on the teacher's desk. Third person uses words like he, she, it, they, them, his, her, or their. Third person point of view comes in 2 forms. The first one I'll discuss is limited. Here's an example of that. Sarah wondered what Jack was thinking about. Here are some features of limited. It follows one character. It knows only their thoughts. It creates mystery. Now I'm going to talk about the second form, which is omniscient. Here's an example. Sarah wondered about Jack, who was planning a surprise. Here are some features of omniscient. There is an all-knowing narrator, knows all thoughts, can reveal future events, and shows multiple perspectives. And that leads me to perspectives. Now, a perspective is how a character or person views and interprets events based on their own experiences, beliefs, and background. Let's look at an example of different perspectives of the same event. So here's the scenario. A soccer game where one team wins 2-1. The winning team's player's perspective could be, it was a well-deserved victory. We controlled the game and created many chances. Now, a team player from the losing team, their perspective could be, it was just bad luck. We played better but couldn't score more goals. The referee's perspective could be, both teams played competitively, with the winning team being slightly more effective at converting chances. While a parent's perspective could be, I just wish they'd given my child more playing time. To understand perspective, notice how all these accounts are colored by each person's role, interests, and background. That's perspective. The point of view in all of these examples was first person. It stays the same in all of the cases, but the perspective changes based on who's telling the story. I hope you enjoyed learning the difference between point of view and perspective. If you need to go back and rewatch the video for more examples, you're free to do so. Thank you for watching.